November 4, 2025. At around 11:17 a.m., at a waste sorting plant located in Inje-gun, Gangwon Province, a worker in his 60s, while installing the floor of a prefabricated building, fell from a height of 5.5 meters and died. Recent similar accident cases on September 25, 2025, at an apartment construction site in Gyeyang-gu, Incheon. A worker fell to death while working on a steel structure.
Today's Industrial Safety OX Quiz. When installing a prefabricated structure, as long as you maintain good balance, no additional fall prevention measures are needed. When installing a prefabricated structure, workers must wear a safety harness and attach the safety hook to a fixed anchorage point before starting work. Conducting a TBM toolbox meeting before installing a prefabricated structure is optional. Toolbox meeting TBM before work. 10 minutes of TBM before work can save our lives.